Welcome back everyone. I'm Derek Paul. The carbon copy delay. Hang on a second. The carbon copy delay from MXR has already cemented itself as one of the modern classic guitar pedals. The sound is warm and very much reminiscent of the best slapback tones out there. It has a nice vintage character unique to this pedal, which makes it more than just a classic design. And it also has glow-in-the-dark knobs. Old school slapback echo, all the way up to David Gilmour type delays, and 600 milliseconds of delay time with optional modulation and a simple 3-knob layout that controls delay, mix and regen. Also, there are 2 internal trim pots that give the user adjustable width and rate control of the modulation for even more tone options. It has a completely analog audio path for authentic, rich, warm analog delay made possible by using old school analog bucket brigade technology, and it's true bypass. MXR pedals are used by many recording artists, such as Gary Clark Jr., Green Day, Slash, Metallica, Joe Bonamassa, John Petrucci, and far too many to name here. It would just take too long, but take a look at jimdunlop.com/artists if you're interested. There are of course so many delay pedals on the market, and each have their own unique characteristic, from the way the delays repeat either digitally or in a more analog way, similar to the first tape machine delays. So it's definitely worth thinking about the type of delay that's going to work for you. This one has more of a vintage vibe, and the delays match that of the old tape machine style. It's not the cheapest pedal on the market though, but it's a good one. And if delay is your sort of thing, then it's probably worth investing in something you are going to love and use. Thanks as always for watching. Thank you, I appreciate you. Let's have a chat in the comments. And here's a typically British ending just for you stay till the enders. Cheerio.